and welcome to Pydemy. In this video, you are going to learn what is a variable in R. A variable is just like a container or a box to hold some value. This value can be a number, a character, or a string. Each variable is given a name so that we can access that variable later in our program. Variables are used to store information to be referenced and manipulated in a computer program. They also provide a way of labeling data with a descriptive name, so our programs can be understood more clearly by the user and ourselves. It is helpful to think of variables as containers that hold information. Their sole purpose is to label and store data in memory. This data can then be used throughout our program. Now let's see a variable in computer's memory. So you can see here, this is computer's RAM or random access memory, and this is variable age. This is variable name age, and in this box of age you can store any number. Here we are storing number 21. So this is the value of this variable and this is RAM. In our programming, at our prompt we write it as age is assigned 21. This is called assignment operator. I'm going to explain this one. So how to declare and use a variable? Now at our prompt, if we write a is assigned 9, that means the value 9 will be stored in this box A. This thing is called this combination of less than and minus sign, or less than and hyphen, is called assignment operator in our programming. It simply assigns the value on its right to the variable on its left. So 9 is assigned to A. You can see this arrow which is going from 9 to A. Now later in program, when you want to access this variable, you can use this name. So the simplest access is to print that value on console with print function. So print is given this variable name which is A, so which will output 9, the value stored in that box. Print function is used to print a variable on console. It takes the variable name as an argument. Now some more practice with variables in R. Here you can see A is assigned 2, that means 2 is stored in A. B is assigned 3, B has 3 stored in it. Now a new variable sum is created and it is assigned A plus B. So first this expression will be evaluated. A plus B will be 2 plus 3 5, and 5 will be assigned or stored in this variable sum. Now if we use print sum, then the output will be 5. Here we have used 3 variables, A, B and sum, and all of these variables will be created in computer's memory. Values will be stored in these variables, and we can use the values stored in these variables by their identifiers or the names of these variables. So a variable is a container to store some value to be used later in our program. Please subscribe our channel Pydemy to learn more about R, Python and data science. Thank you.